When you want to connect to an access restricted interest group, you need to use your account credentials. To connect to a restricted interest group, click on the link for the interest group title. Or alternatively, click on the login link at the top of the page. Now insert your credentials in order to log in. If you have forgotten your password, click on the I forgot my username or password link in the body of the page, or on the Lost My Password link in the Account Services section. Be sure to input the email address you have used during the registration of your account. Whether you remember your account credentials or had to recover them, you can now log in. You are now inside the interest group. Note your username at the top of the page. The system now knows who you are. If you want to change your password or update any other account detail, go back to the main page and press on User Profile in the Account Services section. Here you can change your account settings, change your password, or set a profile picture. If you would like to check your memberships, click the Memberships link. In this section, you can verify the interest groups that you are a member of.